Right now, there's a 22-year-old in Lagos making $2,000 a month from a phone. A student in Mumbai earning more than his professor. A guy in Nairobi who quit his job because strangers on the internet pay him to talk. And you are still wondering if it's even possible for you. Here is what nobody tells you. These people aren't special. They are not geniuses. They just learn one skill for free that the market is desperate to pay for. I spent weeks digging into what's actually working in 2026. Not theory, not guru hype. Real skills that real people like you and me are using to get paid right now. And I'm about to break down the top 5. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 skills you can start learning this week. Completely free, that will pay you for the rest of your life. Most of this, you only need your phone, no laptop, no courses, no excuses. But I need to warn you, by the end of 2026, the people who learn these skills will be living differently. The people who didn't, still waiting for the right time. Let's make sure you are not in the second group. Before we dive in, let me keep it real with you. I've been where you are, watching videos like this, wondering if any of it was actually real or just people trying to sell me something. I wasted months chasing skills that went nowhere, skills that sounded good but didn't match reality. So I'm not here to hype you up with fake promises. I'm only sharing what I've seen actually work for people in Lagos, Nairobi, Mumbai, Manila, Johannesburg, not just Americans with fancy setups. What I'm going to show you are skills you can start learning today with just your phone and are in massive demand in 2026 and beyond. Work whether you are in Nigeria, Kenya, India, Philippines or anywhere else. And don't require a degree, a laptop or money to start. Skill number 4 is the one that shocked me the most when I researched this. Brands are literally paying people with 0 followers. And I explain why in a bit, but trust me, you won't want to hear that one. Alright, let's get into it. Starting with skill number 1, UGC, user-generated content. Let me ask you something. Have you ever scrolled past an ad that looked like a regular person? Just talking about a product, not a celebrity, not an influencer, just a normal person holding something and saying, "This changed my life." That is UGC, user-generated content, and brands are paying thousands for it. Let me tell you about someone I came across while researching this. Her name is Amma, 23 years old, living in Accra, Ghana. 6 months ago, she was selling phone accessories at a local market, making maybe $100 a month if she was lucky. One day, she saw a TikTok about UGC. She thought, I can do that. So she started, just a phone, natural lighting from her window, talking about products she already owned. She wasn't perfect. Her first videos were shaky. Her lighting was off, but she kept going. Fast forward to last month, she made $1,800 in 1 month, more than her father makes in 3 months at his job. Same phone, same girl, different skill. Here is what most people don't understand. You don't need followers to make money with UGC. 0, none. Brands don't want influencers for this. They want real people who look relatable. And here is the part that should make you pay attention. Brands are actively looking for diverse faces, African creators, Asian creators, people who don't look like the typical American influencers. That is you. Your face is your advantage. You can start this with just your phone. Here is your 30-day plan. Week 1, study UGC ads on TikTok and Instagram. Notice how they are filmed and how they talk, what products they feature. Week 2, practice filming yourself talking about products you already own. Your phone, your shoes, your skincare, anything. Week 3, create a simple portfolio. 3 to 5 sample videos showing different styles. Week 4, reach out to small brands on Instagram offering your services. Will you land a $500 brand deal in 1 week? Probably not. Let's be real. But by month 2 or 3, if you're consistent and your content is decent, you can start charging $50 to $150 per video. Some creators scale this to $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Amma did it. There's no reason you can't. Now, skill number 2 is something that sounds boring when you first hear it, but it's actually one of the fastest way to start earning online, especially if you're organized and reliable. Skill number 2, virtual assistant. When people hear virtual assistant, they think secretary, they think boring, they think low pay. Wrong, and wrong. Virtual assistants in 2026 are running entire businesses from their phones. They are managing calendars, responding to emails, handling customer service, scheduling content, organizing projects, and getting paid $500 to $2,000 a month to do it. Some VAs I researched are making $3,000 to $5,000 a month, working for multiple clients from their bedroom with just a phone and Wi-Fi. Now, here is something that might surprise you, and honestly, this is what I wish someone told me earlier. Business owners in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are actively looking for VAs from Nigeria, Kenya, India, Philippines, and South Africa. Why? Because they get high quality work at rates that work for both sides. You get paid well by your local standards. They save money compared to hiring locally. Everyone wins. Your location isn't disadvantage. Read that again. Your location is your competitor edge. Step 1, learn the basic. Email management, calendar scheduling, basic organization. YouTube has hundreds of free tutorials. Step 2, get familiar with free tools. Google's Workspace, Notion, Trello, Slack, all completely free. Step 3, create a simple one-page resume, highlighting your skills and availability. Step 4, apply on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or reach out directly to entrepreneurs on Twitter, which is X, and LinkedIn. Your first client might pay you $100 a month. I know that sounds small, but here is what you need to understand. The first client is your proof, your testimonial, your stepping stone. The second client pays more because you have experience. The third pays even more. That is how this works. You are not building a job, you are building a reputation. Alright, skill number 3. This one is perfect if you are naturally social and you are already spending hours in group chats anyway, which, let's be honest, is most of us. Skill number 3, community management. Be honest with me right now. How many WhatsApp groups are you in? How many hours do you spend chatting, responding, sending memes, keeping conversation going? What if I told you people get paid $500 to $2,000 a month to do exactly that? I'm serious. Brands, creators, coaches, and businesses are building communities on Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook groups, Slack. But here is the problem. They don't have time to manage them. They need someone to welcome new members and make them feel valued. Answer questions quickly. Keep conversation going when things get quiet. Remove spam and troublemakers. Create a vibe that makes people want to stay. That someone could be you. I read about this guy, 24 years old, based in Nairobi. He was spending 4 to 5 hours a day in Discord servers anyway, gaming communities, crypto groups, just hanging out. One day, he thought, wait, I'm doing this for free. What if I got paid? He reached out to a small YouTuber who had a Discord server with 2,000 members but zero engagement. Offered to manage it for $200 a month with 3 months. He had 4 clients, $800 a month, working the same hours he was already spending online, just getting paid for it now. Community is the new marketing. Brands are realizing that loyal communities beat random followers. Algorithm change. Followers come and go, but a tight community, that is an asset, and they are willing to pay for someone who could build and maintain that. Step 1. Join community in niches you are interested in. Gaming, fitness, crypto, fashion, whatever. Observe how they are run. Step 2. Volunteer to help moderate a small community for free. Build experience and proof. Step 3. Document what you did and the results. Screenshots, testimonials, numbers. Step 4. Reach out to creators and brands offering community management services. This isn't overnight money, but once you land one client paying you $500 a month to manage their community, that is recurring income every single month. While you sleep, while you eat, while you are watching this video. Now, skill number 4. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning, the one that surprised me the most when I was researching this video. Let me explain why. Skill number 4, online tutoring. What if I told you that the English you speak right now, the same English you use every day, the same English you are using to understand this video is worth money? I'm dead serious. Right now, as you're watching this, there are millions of people in China, Japan, South Africa, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE who wants to learn English. They are willing to pay $10, $20, even $50 an hour just to practice conversation with a fluent English speaker. And guess what? If you are watching this video and you understand everything I am saying, you qualify. You don't need a teaching degree. You don't need to be from America or England. You just need to speak English well and have patience. Here is where it gets even better. You can also tutor maths, science to young students in your country, your university subjects to students in lower years, professional skills you have learned, Excel, coding, basics, anything, even local languages to foreigners who want to learn Yoruba, Swahili, Hindi, Tagalog. Your knowledge is currency. You just haven't cashed it in yet. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, italki, Superprof, most are free to join as a tutor. Requirements: phone or laptop with camera, stable internet, patience. First step, create a profile, set competitive rates, start with lower prices to get your first reviews. There's this woman I found while researching. She's a Nigerian based in Lagos. She started tutoring English on Preply 2 years ago. No teaching background, just fluent English and a good internet connection. She started at $8 an hour, built up reviews, raised her price slowly. Today, she charges $45 an hour, works 20 hours a week. That is $3,600 a month from her apartment, teaching people how to speak the language she already speaks. You won't start at $45 an hour, let's be realistic, but $10 to $20 an hour absolutely possible within your first month. And in many countries, $10 to $20 an hour is life-changing money. Alright, last key, and honestly, this one might be the most underrated on the entire list. Most people skip right past it, and that is exactly why there is so much opportunity. Skill number 5, graphic design. But I'm not creative. I can't draw. I don't have Photoshop. Design is for artistic people. Stop. I need you to forget everything you think you know about graphic design, because in 2026, everything has changed. Canva exists. It's free. And it has made graphic design accessible to literally anyone with a phone and 2 working thumbs. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need expensive software. You don't need years of training. You need to understand what looks good. And Canva gives you templates that already look good. You just customize them. Every business needs social media graphics, logos, flyers and posters, presentation slides, YouTube thumbnails, WhatsApp status ad, menu designs, event banners. Most small businesses owners have no idea how to make this. They are posting blurry photos with ugly text while their competitors look professional. They pay you $20, $50, $100 plus to fix that problem. Step 1. Download Canva free. Spend 1 week just exploring templates and playing around. Step 2. Pick one niche: restaurants, fitness, fashion, real estate, churches, events. Step 3. Create test sample designs for fake businesses in that niche. Build your portfolio. Step 4. Post your portfolio on Instagram or WhatsApp status and reach out to local businesses. Start with simple social media posts at $10 to $20 each. As you improve, move to logo design at $50 to $100. Then brand identity packages are $200 to $500. One designer I researched started in South Africa with zero experience, went from free work to $10,000 projects in under 2 years. All self-taught, all from Canva and YouTube tutorials. Remember, you don't need to be the best designer in the world. You just need to be better than the business owner trying to do it themselves. And trust me, that is a very low bar. Alright, let's bring it all together. 5 free skills that will pay you forever. 1. UGC creation. Brands pay for your face and your voice. No followers needed. Remember Amma from Accra. 2. Virtual assistants. Run businesses from your phone. Your location is your advantage, not your limitation. 3. Community management. Get paid to do what you already do in group chats. Recurring income every month. 4. Online tutoring. Your English is worth money. Your knowledge is currency. Cash it in. 5. Graphic design. Canva made anyone a designer. Most people just don't know it yet. I'm not going to sit here and tell you will be rich by next month. That is not how real life works. And anyone who promises you that is lying. But I can tell you with this complete confidence, if you pick one skill from this list, just one, and commit to it for the next 90 days, actually commit. Not just watch videos about it. Your life will look different by the end of 2026. Not maybe, not hopefully, it will. I told you at the beginning, I wasted months on skills that went nowhere. Don't make my mistake. Don't try to learn all 5. Pick one, go deep, get your first client, then expand. Here is what I want you to do right now, not later, not tomorrow, right now. Drop a comment below telling me which skills you are starting with, not which one sounds interesting, not which one you are thinking about, which one you are actually going to start this week. I read every single comment. I want to hold you accountable. 6 months from now, I want you to come back to this video and tell me how it changed your life. If this video gave you value, real value, smash that subscribe button. I'm going to break down each of these skills in more detail in upcoming videos, showing you exactly how to get your first client step by step with templates and scripts you can copy. 6 months from now, there will be 2 types of people who watch this video. Those who took action and getting paid, and those who save it to watch later and never did anything. Which one are you going to be? I already know the answer. Now, go prove it. I see you in the next one. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.